homemade ice cream. So first you get 4 egg yolks and dump it in a bowl. And then get a whisk and whisk it up for a little bit. And then you dump in 2 pints of cream. Then you put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. And then put in half a teaspoon of salt. And then now whisk it all up.